How to make a video private on TikTok. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. First thing first, in order to do so, head over to your TikTok application. Once done, make sure that you are logged into your specific TikTok account and then tap onto your profile. Now, in order to make a video private, at this section here, you will see all the videos that you have posted. Now, click on any video which you would like to make private. Then at the below section, you will simply see privacy settings. Tap onto it, and under who can watch this video, you may go ahead tap on only you. Once it is so, come back. And as you can see, this has been removed from this tab. And you will see the video under this lock tab, which means the video is now private. So this is all for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and if that helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.